Namaste. Warm greetings, beautiful friends, soul family. Welcome to your root chakra practice for today. We will be working with Ascended Master Yogananda with his teachings of Chakra Yoga and invoking the power animal, the boar known for its nurturing of its young, its courage and the way that it hunts to look after its family. So really grounding down into the root chakra, helping us to feel safe, strong and stable. So once you feel ready, I invite you to gently just come to closing down the eyes. We're going to have the feet at hip width apart, tucking the tailbone and extending the spine. I invite you to enjoy 3 deep breaths in and out, taking a beautiful red light all the way down to the base of your spine as you breathe. I invite you to gently extend the base of the spine through visualization, taking the base of the spine like a big root all the way down to the very center of the earth now. Imagine your root moving through soil, through the rivers of the earth, past the roots, past the crystals. And taking a breath here, allowing your root to expand and expand as it grounds and centers you into the very base of the earth, the very heart of the earth. Let us set our intention now for our practice to be one of grounding. Help us to feel safe, secure and courageous like the boar. Once you feel ready, I welcome you back to your mats by opening your beautiful eyes. So for today, I'm going to be working with, we've got a lovely piece of hematite, one of my absolute favorites, great for memory, concentration, grounding. I've got some rose quartz, also all of my favorites, and then my lovely citrine to energize our intention down into the session. I've made myself a lovely auric spray. You can also just use essential oils and dab it over the lower body, on the feet, the knees, the hips, and using frankincense, neroli and myrrh. So I'm just going to take a moment here and so really stimulating the base chakra to open and allow us to feel safe. Right, coming to stand with feet at hip distance apart, checking our alignment. I invite you now to take the shoulders back. And we're going to begin with mountain pose. So really coming to ground ourselves through the feet here. Very strong legs connecting to the earth through the feet. We're going to take 3 deep breaths in and out. On our next inhale, we're going to take all of our weight and shift it over into the right leg, taking the left leg and bringing it up into the top of the thigh. If this doesn't work for you, you're welcome to just keep your foot on the floor and lean up against the ankle. Please do not lean against your knee because you're putting yourself at risk of injury. But we can just do wherever feels comfortable and good for your body. Coming into tree pose now. We're going to extend our branches as a tree, allowing ourselves to be deeply rooted. And releasing that through center. We'll come to swapping sides. Nice deep inhale. Extending the spine, exhale, taking the breath over into the left leg and bringing the right leg up. Finding a comfortable position and extend into tree. Really taking the attention now into the feet, into the legs, and grounding those roots deeper and deeper, bringing courage, bringing wisdom, bringing safety. Beautiful, and let's exhale, moving through center. I invite you now to take the left leg out towards the end of your mat and bring the right leg out behind you. We're on the ball of the foot on the right leg, and we're going to bend the left leg down. Just for a quick show. Coming to find ourselves in a warrior one position, we're going to extend the arms upward, little tilt in the back, keep the shoulders nice and relaxed, and really drawing up all of this power now through the legs. Find yourself strong and rooted. Let's bring the right heel down to the ground. We're going to extend over into warrior two, opening up the hips, and let's look over the left middle finger into the future with courage, with safety, with grounding, knowing we are held, knowing we are safe. Beautiful, and exhaling through center, we're going to come to swapping sides, taking the right toes forward, left leg on the heel of the foot, on the ball of the foot, sorry. Deep breaths in and out, connecting with the legs, connecting with the earth, connecting with feelings of power and safety. Bringing the left heel down and transitioning to warrior two, looking out over the right fingers towards the future, connecting with the legs, feeling strong and safe. And exhaling through center. I invite you now to come to opening the knees, just to where feels good for you. Bringing the hands down to the knees, we take a nice deep inhale here. The shoulders are back, the spine is long. Nice deep inhale. As we exhale, we bring the right shoulder down towards the left knee with a nice long spine, opening up through the hips. Deep inhale to center, exhaling left shoulder to right knee. Inhale, center, we'll do one more set. Right shoulder to left knee. Inhale, center, left shoulder to right knee now. Beautiful. And inhaling through center. Lovely, you can come to shake that out. And coming to gently open the legs up nice and wide. Coming to open the legs nice and wide. Coming to open the legs to just over hip width apart. We're going to take a nice deep inhale, bringing hands to the heart center. Nice deep inhale up through the toes. And as we exhale, gently coming through into garland pose. And you can drop the hips just to where they feel comfortable. If this is tight for you, I invite you to sit on a block or on a cushion. And we're going to use the elbows to prop. We're going to lift up through the heart space. And we want the shoulders, the elbows, and the wrists to be in alignment. You can have some great organic movement here if that feels good for you. Bringing right hand down to the ground, we're going to open up through the left side. 3 deep breaths in and out. And swapping sides. Now left hand to the ground, opening through the right side, taking the breath all the way down. And to center, we're going to come to gently rolling down onto the buttocks. And just coming to gently open up through the spine here, some nice organic movement just to soothe. I invite you to close down your beautiful eyes and coming to fill the belly with breath. We're going to chant 3 rounds of Ram, R-A-M, to activate and balance the base chakra. Filling up the belly now. Ram. With the eyes still closed, I invite you to bring your hands up to your heart center. And just taking a moment to notice how you are received by the earth beneath you. You are safe, you are grounded, and you are supported. Let us take a moment here to give gratitude for all of the goodness in our lives. And repeating after me, either internally or audibly, I am safe. I am grounded. I am secure. I am courageous. I am worthy. I am enough exactly as I am. Taking a deep breath and inhaling these intentions down into every cell of the body and exhaling that out into the universe on the back of the out breath. I invite you back to your beautiful space by opening up your eyes. Once you feel ready, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May peace be with you. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for today's practice.